Hey guys, today I will show you how you can mount your Mavic Mini or other controller on your motorcycle or bicycle. First, this is the kind of attachment that I will use today. You can find on Amazon for around 30 bucks. What it look like. Sorry if my English is bad, this is my first English video. So let's do it. We will attach on the handlebar. Now I will put my phone as I normally do. It will be this side. Next, we take the controller. Plug the USB connector. And that's it. You adjust it like this. And it's pretty solid. And you can, like this, you can use your Mavic Mini or other drone. There it is. You can control your drone. Follow mode. You can adjust setting while riding. You can also use rubber bands to secure. I suggest using stronger, but this is for example only. You can also use the rubber that come with the cell phone mount. Like you can see, it isn't going anywhere. It's very, very strong. When you finish, you have just to release the rubber band. And that's it. Release the phone. Very easy. Thank you for watching and consider subscribing if you like this video. Thank you.